Happy Tuesday evening, December 10, 2013. I'm Riley King, and welcome to the Riley King Radio Show right here on the Riley King Radio Network. We have good music all on the way until 8 p.m. I will kick it off with Snow Patrol. Just say yes. It is 7:05 right now.